Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Tapered Kabuki brush to apply concealer under the eyes in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your concealer, you're just going to want to apply about 3 lines under your eyes. And then taking your Tapered Kabuki brush, you're just going to start using patting motions and bringing that downwards, ultimately creating a triangle under your eyes. This is going to help make the eyes appear higher, it's going to make them appear more awake, and it's just going to give your face more of a natural dimension and complexion. This brush does an amazing job at concealing under the eyes because of the taper point that it has. It really kind of caters right into that nice curve of your eye. You can get all the way up in there into the tear duct. You can also use this taper point to get right in there. A lot of darkness hides right here, so you can take that taper point, get right in there, and it's going to really help brighten that area up and ultimately make you look more awake. And here's the final look using the Tapered Kabuki brush to apply concealer under the eyes in just a few easy, simple steps.